Hello, Senior Stoner fan. Just the real Senior Stoner back at you for another in our series of product introductions, unboxings, and first impressions. This is by Puffco, the Puffco Peak Pro version 2. As a note, this is the second unboxing. I had to take down my video. It was not in compliance with YouTube. This one will be. If you're looking to buy the Puffco Peak, email me at my email address that I list below my video, and I will point you in the right direction. Let's get started with this exciting product. Well, as always, Puffco does a pretty simple job on their boxing. They give you a cutaway view, quick features and benefits on the side, and an illustrated photograph of what the product is. Let's get started with our Puffco Peak Pro 2. The carrying case, I'll call it a carrying case, is nifty. It's kind of like styrofoam, high-end styrofoam, and it's like a book. You open it like that. Your accessories are on the bottom. Limited accessories that Puffco gives. You can scan the QR code for instructions. I'm pretty well versed in Puffco world. Let's take out the Puffco Peak Pro 2 and take a closer look at it. We notice that there's fluting on the inside spiral. We notice that we have a joystick carb cap design and a 360 bucket. So they've made some nice upgrades from the existing older Puffco Peak Pro. I like the way the serpentine design has been done on the front, a rubberized silicone outside skin, let's call it. For seniors, it's going to be a one-button design, easy to hold in your hand, not too heavy. Desktop people, it's going to stand perfectly on your desktop. We're going to get between 25 and 30 uses out of one charge. The product has 4 preset temperatures, but with the use of an app, you can get dialed into 1 degree of the temperature of your choice, and you can reset those 4 preset temperatures, as well as having a dab counter, light changer, and all sorts of cool things. The borosilicate glass fits on a sleek silicone area where the air path is really nice and close to the bottom of the chamber. What you get with the Puffco Peak Pro 2 is a combination of flavor and vapor. That's what people look for. So on the first temperature, it's going to be all flavor. As you move up the temperatures to the white color, you'll find that you'll get almost blasted with the white with less flavor. Your terpenes will be boiled, and it'll be an extreme cloud experience. A lot of people like that. I tend to live in the sweet spot, I call it, between the first and the second temperature. I like my vapor cool. I like my clouds, but I'm a big flavor chaser. This product is $420 on Puffco.com, but it's available at a lot of other places. As I said, email me and I will direct you where to go for the best possible situation for you. Now I think what we should do with our Puffco Peak Pro 2 is put it through its paces. The chamber is larger than previous chambers on the Puffco Peak and the Peak Pro, so it's going to give us more surface area for our dab. What that's simply going to do is that's going to enhance and make it more efficient as it goes through our material. The Puffco Peak Pro 2 can handle all types of concentrates. Doesn't have to be what I have here, diamonds. You can use shatter. You can use regular wax. Any waxy type concentrate, even a thick oil, like a distillate, I have successfully used in Puffcos. I'm now dipping in with my electric battery operated hot blade, my Yokan jaws. Same thing about the Yokan jaws. Just email me and I'll tell you where to go. One of the things also about the Puffco Peak Pro 2 is its wireless charging feature. That's a nice feature. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in the wireless base. I'm going to plug the wireless base in and give us an opportunity to see the charging of this product and how that works. 1 second, here we go. So now I've turned it on. Okay, it's going to charge. It's in process of being charged right now. But the cool thing about it is you can just throw your Puffco Peak Pro 2 on a wireless charging pad. I would take off the silicone insulator and just put it flat on the pad, like that. Let's see if I can get it going. The Yokan Black Flux charger is charging. Maybe that has to be fully charged first. Hang on. Let's see. Yeah, I don't have enough power in my wireless base. But the good news is, when the power's working on your wireless base, any one you have, you'll be able to charge your Puffco Peak Pro 2. But let's give it a workout. Let's close the joystick carb cap, which I think is dynamic, a big change for them. A lot of people like to buy aftermarket things, you know, special glass, special carb caps. I understand the need for those things. However, I think the way the unit comes is out of this world. One thing Puffco does really well is their marketing. They figured out exactly what needed to be done on this to improve it over the other ones, and they know what it is like to have products clipping at their heels constantly that are lower priced. How can they maintain their pricing at $420 while other products are less than half in some cases? Well, they can do it because they've got the fit, the feel, and the finish. They're the ones that have done it. They also have the performance. I should have put some water in first. Pardon me, I'm going to put water in now with my trusty funnel. Use your judgment on how much water. I like to get just enough so when I put it on the ground, it covers. You see where I leave it? I don't have a lot of water in it at all, but it does a great job. Let's do it again so we can have the full demo. Quiet, Chuggy. Somebody must be walking by with a dog. Quiet, Chuggy. Here we go. Test driving the Puffco Peak Pro 2 for all of you. This is truly an aspirational device because of the price point. I myself knew about it months in advance, had to pre-order it months in advance. Took forever to get it to me. And as I mentioned, this is my second unboxing video because I was forced by YouTube to take the first one down. It's a double thumbs up. The Puffco Peak Pro 2 in dabbing world is a household name. It's truly something that if you can, you want to go get. I'm not saying it's for everyone, but it's certainly one of the finest dab rigs on the market today. Shuggy, stop! Thank you. Shuggy, stop! This has been The Real Senior Stoner. You know what to do if you enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button, send a like. I reply to all the comments. And send me an email at my email address I'm listing, and I'll help you get one. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching The Real Senior Stoner and the Puffco Peak Pro 2. Cheers, everybody. Have a wonderful day.